Hello, Jack. Are you free now? I need to talk to you about something very important.
Hi, Dad. I'm all ears. What's up?
Well, I don't know how to start.
Dad, is everything okay? Why are you feeling hesitant?
You know, living in this house, just you and me.
Yeah, I know. We've already talked about that. What's the matter?
You know I love your mom so much, but she's not with us anymore, right?
Yeah, you're right, Dad. I miss her too, every single day.
It's been 3 years since your mom passed away.
I know. Anyway, we're fine. You've been doing an excellent job. Just you and me. You've become my best friend and the best father.
Oh, thank you, son. But I need to tell you something really important, please.
Okay, I'm listening. What's that important thing you want to say?
It's been 3 years since your mom passed away, and do you remember I told you I've been dating a woman for almost a year?
Of course, she was your girlfriend. Is she still your girlfriend? Because you're still dating her, right? I haven't met her. Last time we planned to meet, but she had to travel to another country.
She's an air hostess, so she has to travel a lot every month. That's why. Well, she's a nice person, and I love her so much. I want to ask her to move in with us, but first, I wanted to ask you about that. After all, we're friends.
Yes, we are. Is that really what you want to tell me?
That's what I want to tell you, son. I want Sophia to move in with us. She has to travel every month, so I want her to live here and spend more time together.
What? Wait, are you serious? What are you talking about?
Do you really think I want to replace your mom? That's not going to happen. No. No, of course not. I don't want your mother to be replaced by anyone. The only thing I want is to live with the woman I like. I think I deserve to be happy. I will never forget your mom. She will be the love of my life forever. But I think I deserve to be with someone, a good woman like Sophia. You're not a child anymore. I thought you were going to be happy for me, Jack.
Well, you thought wrong. I won't let you cheat on my mother like that. It's okay if you have a girlfriend, but she won't come here to live with us. Is she going to sleep on the same bed that you and Mom used to sleep in? Is she going to sit in the same chair as my mom? Is she going to wear her clothes too? Am I supposed to call her mom now? Is that what you want? Forget it.
All right, Jack. I won't tell her anything. Forget what I said, please. I'm sorry.
You're right. It's not fair to bring her home just like that. Forgive me, please. Jack, don't be selfish. Maybe Dad really feels lonely. Maybe he really is in love with that woman. Dad, can I talk to you, please? I need to tell you something.
Jack, can we talk later? I have to get to the office.
No, no. Please, let me talk. Just 1 minute. Sophia can move in here with us.
What? Are you serious? You said before that you wouldn't allow it.
No, I was wrong. You're right. You deserve to be happy, and if she makes you happy, then I'm happy too. You can bring her home.
I love you, Jack.
I love you too, Dad.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.